There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Jamaica Festival Queen 2017. Dana Lynn Swaby, a historic win for the parish of St. Elizabeth.
I always describe it as a feeling that will always be a defining moment in my life. It's exhilarating, it has been phenomenal. Now, especially when you put into context the year in which I won, Jamaica 55, and being the first queen from St. Elizabeth to be the national queen. So always when I reflect on that, it just makes it all the more wonderful being the festival queen. When I look at my experience, I see how being the cultural ambassador has allowed me to have a deeper appreciation for culture and the role that a young woman can play in contributing to society, contributing to your community, and how you can serve beyond the crown, beyond your reign. It has reinforced that I'm a people person, and that of course I must always carry myself in a circumspect manner, because people look up to me to be an example for all things positive, and how I can continue to empower young women, young people, and just people overall. So definitely it has really asserted my confidence that I am here for a purpose, to engage and impact people positively. I think they should go for it, do it. It's a life-changing experience. It's an experience that will make you mentally stronger. Of course, it will give you a more enhanced appreciation for culture, for Jamaica overall, and what your purpose and role in life is. At first, it's extremely challenging because, you know, when you just caught the title and every invitation that comes along, you want to be there because you don't want to disappoint. But then you realize you're stretching yourself thin professionally and personally, because a lot of people seem not to know that I do have a 9-to-5. But of course, it's called prioritizing. Sometimes you just have to pull back on some of the activities and to say, all right, what is it that is most important? What needs my attention most within this moment? And that's how I make the decision. Belief in yourself and having the confidence and how important it is not just to have a support system, but to be your own motivator, not just through the Festival Queen campaign in terms of the competition, but even throughout the reign, when I consider the challenges that I've had and also the things that I've had to do. You always have to be your #1 supporter, because mental strength is so important in overcoming almost any challenge. I want to say thank you for everyone who has played a role or given some sort of support. But I have to also acknowledge the people on the street, people who come up to you and say congratulations, they cheered for you. Because if people don't let you feel relevant, you won't be relevant. So, and for all the invitations, the persons who have extended invitations for speaking opportunities for other activities, it's a testament to the confidence that they have in me and the high regard that they have for me to want me to be involved in anything that they are doing. So I really have to acknowledge that. And of course, to the incoming queen, I have to say the world is your oyster, Jamaica is your oyster. You have nothing to do but just to conquer and continue to believe in yourself and work hard, and always remember your purpose and the reason that inspired you to make this step, and it will always be a fulfilling moment for you.